vibes, you guys. How are you today? This is Shreya Khanna, and welcome on this amazing tarot card reading that I'm gonna check what your partner's current vibes today, what they are feeling, whether they want to approach you, whether they are missing you, whether they want to talk to you. What is it that they are missing about you? This could be your no contact, this could be your partner, this could be your marriage in case you're not together, probably. I don't know. Let's see what comes out in the reading. All right. So I just want to say thank you to all the people who are doing super thanks. Yesterday, I found someone did a super thanks, and thank you for that. The name is Dark Poetic Vibes. I believe that's the name. So I don't have it on with me, but yes, the Dark Poetic Tales, I think you did the super thanks, and yes, your super thanks makes my day. So thank you. And right, so any of you who wants to book your private reading, the number is given in the description box below, and you can only WhatsApp me. I do not reply to any of your comments. This is why I talk to you either by live or in your personal readings. All right, so in case any of you who wants to talk to me, there is only one thing: either you book a reading with me, or you can speak to me on live sometimes whenever I go on live. Okay, right. In case you're not subscribed yet, I highly recommend you subscribing my channel and press the notification bell icon so that you receive all of my videos as soon as I post them. All right, let's see. What's your person's current vibes today? Wow, wow. So I have still received. By the way, today you have to write Radhe Krishna in the comment section below, because I just want you to, have faith and believe in God, because I do all the readings. Before the readings, I pray to God, and all your readings are coming from Radhe Krishna's energy. And yes, I pray to different gods, and whatever energy that you believe in, you say thank you today in the comment section below. Okay, so now we have received your partner's current energy. That's the Ace of Wands, what they're feeling today. Okay, the Temperance, and there is the Empress card. Okay, I just believe that in case you feel bad in any of your vibes recently, it's because someone else maybe putting any kind of um low vibes to you. Basically, I don't want to say negative vibes or something like that. No, low vibes. Basically, you guys may be going through a low vibe because your partner is feeling you very strong. They are feeling a very strong urge from your side. They're like, I don't know, but they have more like a, I see that in the soul, it is more like in their soul you reside, and in your in their soul they can feel like I just want to use the word telepathy. Your partner feels telepathy from your side also. So it's not just them doing it, it's they feel that you are also connecting with them some in some way. There is a Temperance card. There's a Temperance card. Okay, so first of all, I just before this reading, like before I go on any more in this reading, guys, some of you are really really nice in your comments, but there are some people, like, I just want to say this with a very nice vibe to to your reading, all of your readings. This is more like, in case you do not understand my readings, okay, yesterday's reading was self-explanatory. Okay, there was nothing like you got a little bit confused. Yeah, if you were confused watching my reading, you probably were thinking something else watching the reading. I don't know what you were thinking. You were in your own mind zone, something like that. Okay, but I received a comment, okay, and this person was really confused after watching the video. And I just believe that yesterday's reading was self-explained, self-explanatory. So I'm glad a lot of you liked it. But some comments I just received that they were like, one person was really confused, right? So guys, I'm not gonna make any of my videos anymore in Hindi. I'm only gonna make it in English. And it's because there is something that, I am the reader here, and I like to express these readings in English now. Okay, so I have done it in Hindi, and trust me, you guys, I loved it in Hindi also, but I want to continue in English, so that's like my personal choice. Apart from that, in case you go for a personal reading, yes, English and Hindi both are available. If you like it in Hindi, yes, your personal reading will be in Hindi, but as far as this general readings are concerned, this is going to be in English. Apart from that, guys, only take what resonates. You don't have to, take everything as I'm saying in the reading. So this is a general reading. This only goes with like what resonates with you. Okay, so this was like my disclaimer. In case you're watching a reading, if you don't like it, you can skip it. That's a choice your phone has given you. Skip it. Okay. Moreover, if something does not resonate it, leave it. Okay, this is a general reading. For your personal reading, you get it booked from me. The number is given in the description box below. Apart from that, let's come back to your person's feeling today. They are feeling a very telepathic connection with you. Okay, so see, everyone feels a telepathic connection when they're connected with anyone. Okay, it's just that we don't know it is telepathy or something. Okay, when someone is missing us from afar, or maybe when something, they are sending us a particular message, they want to say us something, we feel telepathically connected to someone. Okay, so this is very basic. This is your soul. Okay, moreover, your person wants to be united with you. They are now, when I'm feeling for your person, the first card is Ace of Wands. This is what, this is very much they are, this is giving me like an activation. This is giving me like they are getting awake, like they are awaking. Okay, this is more like an awakening for them also. Now they are trying to stabilize with divine feminine and divine masculine energies. Okay, so this is feminine and masculine in them only. So they are trying to be, very much stable. I just have this feeling like this person this person is, up to something. Like they want to talk to you, they want to have this particular, thing going on in their head that they are planning. So your person is like, I am looking at them as planning. Okay, now there is the Empress card. This Empress card is definitely for you. I feel that while your person is feeling telepathically connected to you, you are dressing yourself every single day. You are putting up your makeup on, maybe you are putting up good clothes, maybe a good perfume or something like that you're doing. But I just feel that you are also, making your life great, making yourself look great. It could be for different reasons, but like you are more attracting your person now. Maybe you're not making them come towards you, but your person feels attracted to you. So you are magnetic. You are magnetic. Oh my god, just look at that card. You are magnetic. All right, what's your person's current feelings? They are planning something. What they are planning, let's just find out. What are their current feelings? Thank you, God. Thank you, God. Yep. They are, I just feel they're very much drawn to you. Look at that card. Do you see it? They're very much drawn to you. Like, they want to say like, how do you do it? Like, what's your game? Right? But they know it, that they are attracted to you, and now they have this particular vibe to them that they can speak about their emotions. You have made them a little bit, a little bit free, a little bit wild, a little bit go and chase your dreams energy, something like that. Look at that Page of Cups. They are dreaming about you big time. They are dreaming, like they are dreaming about you. Look at that. They don't even know their third eye chakra could be open. Look at that. These cards are placed like that. So they don't even know their third eye chakra could be open. They don't even, realize it, but they're dreaming about you. It could be daydreaming. It could be, they are having dreams about you. I just have this, feeling that your person loves you a lot. A lot. Like they can't say it. They can't say it. Now they want to come to you. I just feel a very, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius energy, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy. Yeah, and we have Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio energy. Again, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, Four of Cups. Your person is like, are you waiting for them? Your person is more like, yes, you're waiting for them. Oh my God, your person is like, they're waiting for me or not, I don't know. They're very much confused, but they are like, as soon as they find you, they want to talk to you. This is their energy today. As 1111 is there, oh my God, it's more like as soon as they find you, they want to talk to you. It's these cards are giving me like, today I have a, different vibe from my collective. By the way, all my collective, or you all, um you know you have been doing something. This is King of Wands coming, and this is Nine of Pentacles. Okay. Yeah, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, very strong. Leo energy strong. Sagittarius energy strong. Cancer energy strong. Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. Okay. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Earth energy very strong. Fire also. Yeah. Your person is like, you know what? I'm going to protect you. I'm going to shield you. Look at that. They want to tell you that, like they're more like, how to tell you? They're more like this obsessed with you. This is 1212. Yes, they are obsessed with you. They're feeling for you. They want you. They are like, I'm standing, baby. I'm standing. This is 1224. So today your person is more like they see you, okay? They see you doing something. They see you doing something, okay? They see you like soaring high. Wow. So your person is really positive about you. Your person is really attracted to you. They have this connection. Like what I'm feeling is they have this pull towards you. Like they can't stop it. They can't stop thinking about you. They have this a little bit of, wild energy. When they wanna, confront you, the fear won't be on their face. It would be all confidence. It would be all fire. Let's see. There is Ten of Wands. They are leaving something behind. They are leaving something behind. I don't know what your person is leaving, but there is, again, I just have this Taurus energy very strong. Okay. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius energy very strong. We have Six of Swords. Yes, your person is leaving something behind. There is the King of Pentacles. Very stable person. So you could have like two people in your energy. Okay. I find two kings here. King of Wands, King of Pentacles. There could be two people that you have, coming in, drawing in, and there is Eight of Swords also. So in case there among these two people there is one person that you want, that you think of more and more, they are also, they are also saying that, you know what, I am there. Spiritual, there is another a king energy. So um today, you know what, you are giving me this vibe of Empress. You're giving me, so meanwhile you may have spoken to God, meanwhile you have prayed to God, meanwhile you have conducted a lot of high energy, high vibrations. You're the Empress, but then there is more like, you are not just the goddess, right? So this is the Temperance card, becoming one energy. Okay. uh Among the duality, you're becoming the, oneness. You are giving the oneness vibe now. So this is why I have this Empress and I have these three kings with me. Okay, so you could be a king also, you could be a queen also. Okay, whatever energy that attracts you, a goddess energy, king energy, queen energy, you can write down in the comment section below. Okay, that you are this particular goddess energy. Okay, you are this queen energy, you are this empress, you are this king energy, king of pentacles. Okay, so more like, if your person is a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, let me just tell you this. If your person is a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, they are feeling attracted to you. They are like very stable now with the money. A lot of people, ask for their, vibes. Okay. Yeah, there is, somebody's confirmation. Your person could be a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Now, if your person is this, water energy, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, they are thinking of you highly. Now, for you, they know that you are this earth energy. You are this, you could also be an earth energy. For you, it is also very strong, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Okay, so now your person knows something, that for you, emotions are very, uh, for a person that you attract basically to yourself. If you are a particular person and you attract someone to your life, it would be, a stable person, it would be a confident person, it would be someone who have a value of, of keeping someone, right? So your person literally have this particular vibe to them, that they are becoming, going to meditative states, something more like that. Okay, and in case your person is Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, it is more like they are like very, very obsessed, possessive with you. This is 1717, your confirmation. Okay, let's just see what they are leaving behind, right? So your person is, I am telling you, they're up to something. They're thinking of some kind of action, and they are like giving you this vibes. I don't know, man. Your person has, this Temperance card really means something for your person. I'm not, allowed to speak much in general readings, but yeah, this person has their vibes on you, has their obsessiveness about you, a lot of obsessiveness. Sagittarius and Leo energies, in case you or your person has Sagittarius or Leo energy and the number 14 and 13 attracts you, I am telling you to be aware of your person or what you are receiving, like going to receive in your life. Right, so there is some kind of moon is, very strong. There is some kind of, moon very strong about you and your person. Your person has, if you have some kind of off vibe with your person, in case you had, so this is not for everyone, this is for only those people in case they are scared of their person, like real scared. Some people are real scared of this person. I would literally tell you to, take yourself into some kind of protective shield in these days. Okay, this is a real confirmation for someone, that if Sagittarius or Leo, okay, this is coming as, moreover, number 14 and 13, moreover, there is a moon energy, there is a fire energy also. So please beware. If your person had scared you in the past, beware. Very much more like that. You are up with your intuition and you can feel the vibes. This is also your confirmation. You can feel your vibes, like what this person could be telling you when they come, like when they are going to text you. You will have an intuition like real strong. When as soon as they are, texting you, you will have this intuition that yes, their text is gonna come, their message is gonna come, their call is gonna come, something more like that. There is Queen of Cups. There is your confirmation, King of Cups and Queen of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces confirmation. Your person and you both are getting prepared for this divine union. Okay, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, this is your confirmation. You are getting in, you're in for a divine union now. Okay, congratulations to all of you. And let's see more, because I see we could have confirmation about other things also. But let's see what is this 10 of Wands for. Let's see what is this 10 of Wands for. God, please guide me. What is this 10 of Wands for? 7 of Wands. What is this 10 of Wands for? 5 of Swords. Yeah, okay. Again, Knight of Pentacles. For someone is there, right? Your person has some kind of, some kind of meditative thing going on, right? And they don't know what to do. They are, they are ignoring something. They are trying to ignore something. Basically, this is not about you. This is about something going on in their personal life. Okay, so this person that you're dealing with is going through some kind of meditation. Okay, I just find meditation like very strong. Okay, now this person could be consuming a lot of, like, this person has become a lot of observant. Okay, this person is letting people go from their life. Also, this person is letting people go from their life. I can just see that there are so many things that your person is going on, and you don't need to be concerned about this, because this is completely their area. Okay, their solutions, whatever they do, this is about them. This is not about you. So like, a lot of people come to me out of you guys. Okay, a lot of people come to me and you guys tell me that, you have a lot of concern because your person is going through with a lot of things. And I tell you, yes, you would be feeling that way, because there is a general concern that you love your person. Okay, this is where you're at. Okay, but then there is something that you have to let them heal in their way, right? So please don't mess it. In case you guys are in separation, I see very much in separation. Okay, there is 6 of Swords. Something about your 6 of Swords with this person. What is this 6 of Swords? God, please guide me. Right, again the 6 of Cups is there. Yes, your person is releasing a lot of things. Your person is going through a lot of things. They are emerging from that space now. What is... Yep, let's see. There is a Tower in the reverse. They are about to talk to you. Look at that. There, the Justice is coming. Libra energy is there. Okay. There is the Tower card. There is the Ace of Swords card. There is the Emperor card. Plus this is the Empress card. Okay, I have already told you the union is gonna come. Your person, so this card came in reverse. You're strong, like, this is also coming in reverse. Your person is also trying to, mind their own business. Something has shattered your person, like, recently. Shattered means, like, I just have this feeling, not recently, but something happened and they had to go through a transformation. I'm just feeling like that. So yes, in case you're looking for answers, yes, your separation is going to end very soon. Okay, you may be thinking that, why am I not saying congratulations? I'm gonna say congratulations. Yes, your person is about to talk to you. Okay, there is something about intuition very strong. There is something about January. There is something about before January. There is something about your childhood memories, or releasing a lot of things, coming into like, feeling comfortable, more and more, feeling free, feeling safe. Okay, you and your person, it's more like feeling safe. Okay, your person could be this person. Your Aries is coming for your person, something like that. Okay, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn also coming for your person, very strong. Libra is coming, right? So I'm just feeling like 1111. Okay, there is one here, and there is 1111 here. Okay, so I know that, you know, I just have this, I don't want to say any more in this reading. There was this guidance that was coming, but I now it is not. Okay, let's see if there's anything that you need to know, anything that you guys need to know, anything that you guys need to know. Let's see. Anything more on this particular reading? Okay. There is this Three of Pentacles. I don't know. There was this coming. Again, your person is, they want to speak specifically to you something. Right. So we have Four of Wands. 1111 is there. Okay. Confirmation. King of Swords. King of Swords is there. Four of Pentacles is there. And again, Ace of Cups is there. Aces, 11 so many times. And yes, the card is there. Three of Pentacles that showed up. You know, there is some kind of meeting with this person. Something is there that has to be there. Okay, there is a divine timing for this particular thing. As I said, divine timing, there is this Hierophant card. Okay, the god is saying divine guidance is telling you to relax. It's okay for you to relax. You're worthy of rest. Okay, it's okay, relax. At this point in time, you are doing so much. God is with you. There is a lot of divine guidance that is coming for you. They're saying be happy. Okay, you will have to go through a lot of transformation. You will have to start a lot of things again. Okay, but it's okay. Okay, because things had to go, past had to go. A lot of your past memories, lot of your past karmas needed to be gone. Okay, in order to bring a new future to yourself. Moreover, there were fears, there were so much of traumas in your body stored, and they had to go. And time, this is coming into me as an example. Okay, the example is that whenever you have some kind of electronics at your home, this could be an AC, this could be, it could be a automobile, it could be, car, scooter, whatever you have. Okay, everything needs servicing time to time, right? Your AC needs servicing, your refrigerator needs servicing, everything needs servicing. That's what I mean to say. And that's how your body, your mind also needs to be unclogged sometimes. Okay, so take this time of healing very nicely, because not a lot of people get this right in their lives. Not a lot of people get this. You are supposed to go higher, because there is some kind of new beginnings are written for you in the charts. Okay, yeah, so I believe in my readings. I say what I say, and I'm like very, very confident about what I say. Okay, so yeah, this would be your reading. I hope this gave you some kind of vibe check. This gave you some kind of hopes, high hopes basically. Congratulations to every one of you who is getting reunited again, and reconciliations to be happening to your side. So I just want to clap for you, because this is your vibe, this is your energy, and that's how it should be cherished from your side. I just want you to, today I won't ask you to like this video, comment down below. No, I just I just want you to clap for yourself, clap for yourself, clap for all the people who are getting reunited, because this is the chapter where God is asking you both to meet. I was receiving this calling. Some of you are being called to meet this person now. Okay, you will receive a call, you will receive a message, you will, yes, it is a confirmation. Okay, you will receive some kind of, meeting with this person face to face. Okay, so that was your reading. If you like it, like the video. Okay, that's in myself. I can't take it out of me. Yeah, comment down below, like, share, subscribe, comment down below, and share this video as much as you can. and press the notification bell icon so you receive all of my videos. Moreover, guys, in case you want to book your personal readings, book it with me on WhatsApp. Number is given in the description box below. I'll see you in your next reading or in your personal reading. Lots of love. Radhe Radhe to all of you.